Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little post review for you. So this, let's get her into frame. This is my canvas that I've completed for the month of March. There are several events this month that this qualifies for. So the Paint with Friends event this month, which is hosted by Diamonds Around You, is a princesses event, so she's perfect for that. Diamond Grandma and Enza are hosting an all petals event, so of course she's perfect for that. And we've got the year-long Asian event, which of course she qualifies for that as well. So I'm super happy with how she turned out. I will pop my original unboxing up in the eye, but sadly this is from Spell Queen, who are no longer trading, which is very sad because this was a beautiful canvas to work on. The quality of the drills was fine. There was a little bit of some of the sizes. There was a couple of colours where I had to pick through because there was some sort of smaller sized drills, but not enough that I bothered keeping any. There is yeah, just it's come together really nicely. There are no ABs or anything in this kit, but I think that doesn't detract at all from her. I think she's beautiful. If I was going to go back and do it again, I might have just picked out this, I think it's probably a lotus blossom here. I thought it was a magnolia blossom originally, but I think it's a lotus blossom given that she is in water. I would have probably maybe picked that out in some ABs or maybe some fairy dust and perhaps the flower in her hair as well. But other than that, I think she is beautiful. I'm so happy with her. There are plenty of leftover drills of all the lovely colours. So, I mean, the colour palette for this was just lovely. And having worked on quite a lot of earthy colours, and I'm going on to work on another earthy colour canvas, it was very nice to have the opportunity to work on something so wonderfully colourful. And I described her colour, I described her colour scheme as being like a coral reef, and I think that again fits perfectly with the theme. So you can see there, didn't run out of anything, everything was really lovely, and it was just, yeah, there was just one colour, which one was it? It was, I can't even think now. I think it was this pale blue, where just every now and then I'd get one that was slightly smaller, not quite square, but like I say, not enough that I bothered keeping hold of them. Everything else has come together beautifully, and I think for her size, the face has turned out wonderfully. She is a 30 by 40, but she is a true 30 by 40. So if you don't know what that means, bear with. Scooch those over there. A true 30 by 40 means that it is the whole canvas, the whole diamond painted area is a 30 by 40, not the canvas plus the outside edge. So that is the difference. And you will find that a lot of more budget companies, when you're buying a 30 by 40, it is in fact 30 by 40 canvas size, not printed area size. So I think that helps a lot. But despite that, I just think that the rendering on her face is really nicely done. She obviously has quite simple features, but they've been brought to life really nicely, and even the details in her little hands are lovely as well. So I will pop details for the artist for this canvas down below. You can buy other items printed with this, even though I've not found it available as a diamond painting anywhere else. But if you know of anyone that is currently selling this as a diamond painting, do let me know, and I will be sure to send other people that enjoy this art their way. So that is all from me for today. Super short and sweet, and I am now on to my next canvas, which I will be sure to share with you in an update video. Thank you to everybody who has watched today. Please do remember, it helps the channel so much if you can leave a like, if you can share with a friend, and maybe leave a comment down below. Thanks as always to those of you that support the channel over on Patreon and here as channel members. If you would like to join them, there is a link down below. It is just 99 pence per month. You will get early access to videos, and I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are. And until next time, stay crafty.